I bet you didn't know yawning helps cool down your brain. Yep, it's true. Yawning isn't just about being sleepy. It's actually a brain cooling mechanism. When you yawn, you inhale cool air, which helps regulate brain temperature. Here's how it works. Your brain heats up from mental activity or external heat. Yawning increases blood flow and oxygen intake, which helps release excess heat, cooling the brain down. Studies found that people yawn more in warm environments and less in colder ones. Try holding a cold drink or pressing a cold object to your forehead. Chances are you'll yawn less. And here's a fun fact. Yawning is contagious because when one person does it, others' brains sync up and trigger the cooling reflex too. Try yawning right now. Did it work? Comment below. Tag a friend and see if they yawn after watching this.